Hello there. As you are here watching this video, I believe you are an Amazon seller. Or maybe not, but at least you are interested in this video. This is your host Sakhawat. Welcome to another e-commerce session of Ecomclips. We all know Amazon is so competitive marketplace. You need to make sure that your inventory and listings are always up to date. It's literally an ongoing process. Frequently, you have to change or update your inventory information to provide the best version to your buyers. If you want to add or update variation or child to an existing variation listing, it is also a matter of concern to find the best way to do it. Typically, you can do this in some different ways. You can add or update variation by manually add variation from Amazon Seller Central, using category product template file, manually using variation wizard, using variation wizard pre-populated product template file. In today's video, I will talk about all these ways of adding or updating variation on an existing variation listing. Let's start with the process manually add variation from Amazon Seller Central. To do this, you have to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. There must be a product listed which has some variations. Now, we have to click on the edit button of a variation product. Now click on variation. As it is an existing variation item, it has already selected the variation theme. So all we need to do just add the new variation here. As the variation theme of this listing is color, just write down the color name here and click on add. You can see a new child field is created. Now put your SKU, product ID type, condition, price and quantity in the corresponding fields. Finally, click on save and finish. New color child is added under this variation now. We can also do the same thing by using product template feed file. To do this, hover over catalog, then click on add products via upload. Now click on download an inventory file. And then click on get product template. Select the marketplace region, then search the appropriate category in the search box, or you can also browse the category from here. Select the category, uncheck every blue check mark if you don't want to download a multi-marketplace template file. Now click on generate template. Your product template will be downloaded. Open the downloaded file. Fill up the first row with parent information. Fill up the variation part very carefully. Select the exact variation theme of this parent. Also select the partial update in the update delete section. Now provide the new variation information in the below rows as much as you want. I will put this file in the description box. Now go back to your Amazon Seller Central's add products via upload page. Click on upload your inventory file. You can either drop or browse your file here. And at last click on upload file. It will take a few minutes to process the file depending on the size of your submission. You can check your processing report from the monitor upload status tab. If any error is found in the processing report, fix it and then upload again in the same way. Now, manually using variation wizard. Okay, imagine a scenario first. You are an Amazon seller. You have listed some of your variation items on Amazon. Suppose that you have listed 4 child items of a particular parent item. After some time, you came to know that you own 2 more variation of that item. So, you need to add them to your existing variation listing. You can add those variation manually from Amazon Seller Central without creating them by your own using variation wizard tool. I have discussed both the manual process of adding or updating variation on existing parent and the process of using variation wizard pre-populated product template file and all other details about the variation wizard in this video. If you want to check out this video, click on the I button or check the description box. The purpose of this session was to simply explain every possible way to add or update a variation or child to an existing variation item. I'm confident that you can easily do that using any of these methods now. But if you have any confusion left, please feel free to comment here in the comment section and let me know how can I help you. I will answer as soon as possible. If you really like this video, please like and share this video. Also, if you don't already subscribe to our channel Ecomclips, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.